Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore innovative products that bring joy and fun to your life. Today, we're diving into something truly unique and entertaining. The best straw glasses for adults, the 8PC's Drinking Straw Eyeglasses. If you're looking to add a dash of whimsy to your next party or gathering, these might just be what you need. Now, what exactly are these? Glasses that are also straws. Perfect for sipping your favorite beverages in the most fun and quirky way possible. They come in a pack of 8, with 4 vibrant colors to choose from: blue, rose red, yellow, and orange. Made from durable PET material, these glasses are not only reusable but also easy to clean. They're designed to withstand party after party, ensuring you get plenty of use out of them. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to drink from a pair of silly straw glasses? What sets these apart is their fun and innovative design. Each pair is crafted into the shape of eyeglasses, complete with loops that act as the straws. Imagine the laughter and joy these will bring as your drinks circle around your eyes. Whether it's a company annual meeting, a birthday bash, or a casual movie night with friends, these glasses add an element of fun to any occasion. They're easy to assemble. Simply connect the straws to the glasses and you're ready to start sipping. Remember, longer side in the drink, and sip away. So, why should you consider getting these straw glasses? Besides their obvious entertainment value, they're also safe and non-toxic, making them suitable for adults and kids alike. Plus, they make for fantastic Instagram-worthy moments. In conclusion, the 8PC's Drinking Straw Eyeglasses from Skylety are a must-have if you're looking to inject some fun into your next social gathering. With their durable construction, variety of colors, and ease of use, they're sure to be a hit among guests of all ages. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on innovative products like this one. Have you used these straw glasses before? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep enjoying life's little delights.